This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Jasmine Kong. Less than bedroom greater than DRE number 017011525. Largest floor plan in one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Hercules. Efficiently utilized space with functional layout. One car detached garage plus permitted parking spaces around the complex. Double side decks for outdoor entertaining. Recently replaced carpet, water heater, energy-saving LED lights, and new blinds. H.O.A fee covers water and garbage bills. Clubhouse and swimming pool within the community. Secluded yet convenient location. Close to top-rated Hanna Ranch Elementary School. Community center, parks, sports fields, exercise trails. Newly opened Safeway, Chase, Peets shopping center minutes away. Easy freeway access to I-80 and 4. Transit center with WestCAT Bus to Bart, LYNX direct route to San Francisco, and parking for carpool. Affordable starter home or investment property. A great opportunity you don't want to miss. For more information, review the details below.